Hey guys, and welcome back. I hope you're all having a wonderful day, and today's video is an actual old video that I recorded about a month ago. Um, but it's just been sat in my storage on my computer waiting to be edited and uploaded. Um, so today's video I'm actually making more homemade polygel, but with a twist. This one glows, yay! So I'm sure you all seen my glow-in-the-dark dip nails that went horrendously wrong. Let's be honest, I could have done a lot better, and I'm gonna try dip nails again soon, and hopefully they go a lot better. So basically what I've done is I took some clear polygel. You can use builder gel as well, by the way. I'd probably recommend it more because it will be easier to mix. But anyway, I used the Cossalia clear. I hope I'm saying that right. I say it that way, but I don't know if that's the right way to say it, that brand of polygel. But anyway, I plonked some clear onto a resin palette, as you can see, and then I poured my dip powder on top. And I do this for all three colours and just mix it in. It took me about 10 minutes to mix the colours. They all cured fine as well, by the way. There was no problems with curing. But like I said, I think builder gel would work a lot easier with this, because polygel is gel and acrylic mixed. So yeah, that's the secret ingredient. Not as fun as KFC's secret ingredients and stuff like that. But hey ho, it's there. So anyway, like I said, I do this for all of the colours, and then I go in and prep my natural nail once this is all done. The standard push back your cuticles, file away the natural shine with a buffer. Oh my gosh, I can't speak. With a buffer. Then I apply Model 1's dehydrator and primer. Obviously this is to help the product to adhere to the nail better and stick for longer, and it avoids lifting. You don't necessarily need them, but I would recommend dehydrator and primer for nails if you want your nails to last longer. So yeah, so I used the dual forms with this. I did remember I used dual forms with this. Basically the way I applied it, you'll see in a minute and it'll make a lot more sense. But I put the glow in the dark polygel onto the dual form on the free edge, left enough space for like a nail bed. I cured for 60 seconds, and then I went in with the Cossalia number 4, I think it is. It's like that rose sort of nude colour that I absolutely love and use quite a lot, and I'll probably run out of it soon and start crying. Because they only do 15ml bottles. I can't find any 30ml apart from on Wish, and I don't want to order from Wish right now because deliveries might take a bit longer. But anyway, so I apply it to the nail bed, and then I stick it onto my natural nail, obviously flatten out the backs and clean around the cuticle, and then I cure for another 60 seconds. Sorry, I had a brain fart and I couldn't think of what I was trying to say. So I'm just going to let you guys watch the application, and I'll be back for, well, whenever I need to say something. So yeah, speak to you in a minute, guys. And I'm back, guys. So there they are, all cured and whatnot. So I just wipe over the sticky tacky layer with some rubbing alcohol because it's still gel. It's still going to create that lovely tacky layer. And now I'm just going in with my hand file. Pretty simple, pretty easy. This stuff was really easy to file and shape. I actually like the outcome of these. Um, they they weren't too bad. I can't remember if I actually got the clip of them glowing in the dark though. I can't remember. I hope I did. If I didn't, I do apologize, guys. Um, but yeah, so it was pretty simple, guys. Pretty easy, straightforward, and so simple to do at home. You can do this with like making your own colors and stuff like that if you don't have a certain color. But we are coming up to the end, guys, so I am going to love and leave you. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to leave a like, a comment, and subscribe down below. That made no sense, but you knew what I meant. And I will see you all in the next one, guys. Remember to keep safe and keep on smiling, okay? Bye, guys.